Hello and welcome to the craft room in my 1902 farmhouse. My name is Alicia with Country Mama Musings, and today I'm working on a crochet project. I thought I would bring you up into my craft room to show you how to work the double crochet. With our yarn on our hook, we're going to be working into this stitch right here. We're going to yarn over our hook and place our hook into that stitch, making sure we go through and get the front loop and the back loop. You want 2 loops on your hook unless indicated by your pattern. We're going to grab the yarn from behind and pull it back through to the front. We now have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, capturing the yarn under our hook here and pulling it through just 2 loops on our hook. They fall off the hook and now we have 2 loops remaining on our hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops on our hook, completing our stitch. You have just completed a double crochet. Let's move on to this stitch right here and do that again. We're going to yarn over, enter the stitch from the front to the back of our work, making sure we get both the front loop and the back loop on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull that yarn back through to the front of our work again. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and capture that yarn under our hook and pull that yarn through 1 loop and 2 loops. We have 2 loops left on our hook. We're going to yarn over and take that yarn and pull it through the remaining 2 loops on the hook, completing the stitch, the double crochet. Let's do another one here in this stitch a little faster. Yarn over, insert into the stitch indicated, grabbing our yarn and pulling it back through to the front. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, completing the stitch. Moving on to the next stitch here, yarn over, into our stitch, making sure we have the front loop and the back loop, pulling our yarn back to the front, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to complete a few more stitches without speaking just so you can watch the process. And there you have it, a row of double crochet. I hope this tutorial helped you. I have others as well for other stitches, so I hope to see you back here at the craft room in the farm. Until I see you again, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.